Yeah. What they supposed to be like? They ain't stainless. All they gonna burn off. I can tell you that now. Yeah. O2 sensors go right there. BBK, they should be a nice fit though.
I'm hoping so. That's the ones everybody said get. Like budget one.
Yeah, they should be. But you know what? This where they drop the ball at. Most of your good folks, they run a bead all the way around. They did it on the inside. But really, they should have did it out here too. Yeah. I noticed a lot of your
some you lose some.
a lot of your high end. But I mean, sometimes ain't just cheap. BBK is not a cheap brand though.
No, that wasn't cheap.
So they already knew that you was gonna have a fitness issue, so they beat it in right here. So your steering, this drive. Let me see. This for the driving side of that. Yeah. So that's where your steering rack go right there. What are these? Inch and a quarter? Inch and 5/8?
5/8. Yep.
I like an inch and 7/8. Or inch and 3/4. Hey. Hey.
They had these and some other ones.
Yeah.
Them other ones.
BBK
Yeah,
cool.
that.
Yeah. All that's gonna burn off though. I hate to be the bad news bearer, but
Yeah.
they gave you both. Yeah. Now right here, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what the hell that's at. Whatever it is should be on your factory too. Because if not, you're gonna have to cap it.
What's good, boys? As you can see, we got the BBK long tube headers. They actually just got here, so super excited about that. Got a few things we got to do to get the entire exhaust system modified. I know a lot of guys run the catless setup with theirs, but I don't know, man. I'm probably do some more research, do some more listening, because I kind of want that tone, that more raspy tone with the cats removed. But I'ma see. So it's gonna be a lot to have them put it on, take it off, listen to it, that kind of thing. But that's the only thing that does it justice, is actually hearing it in person. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you do to your cars. I know a lot of catless. I know a lot of muscle car guys go catless. But I really don't know, man, because this car is more of a daily for me. It's a work in progress, as all of our builds are. But I'm super excited to have these BBKs on, man. Install video coming soon on these. Catch y'all later.